Hello and welcome to Coreform Cubit tutorials. Coreform Cubit is fully scriptable using Python. Python scripting allows users to create a more complex script in Coreform Cubit to better fit their needs. Let me show you how to turn a regular command line journal file into a Python script. First, let's open a journal file. Go up here, Journal Editor, click File, Open your journal file. Here we go. Next, we'll use the wrapped button to convert this into a Python script. So we'll go up here to the Python button. There you go. Now it's converted to a Python script. So now you can add additional Python commands or make any changes that are necessary. After you make any necessary changes, we can click on the play button here to run it right here. Move this out of the way. There you have it. You've successfully copied over a journal file and converted it to a Python script to allow more complex scripts in Coreform Cubit. More tutorials, videos, and webinars are available at coreform.com. Thanks for watching.